Hi there, friends. I just wanted to give you a little heads up on some great little tiny Easter eggs that you can get in the shop at the moment. Now, last year I did a tutorial and it was an object lesson and gift idea that you can give to your kids or classes. It's called Christian Easter Gift and Object Lesson for Children's Ministry. And so it is a really good one to be able to give to your kids. It's candy-free and it's an object lesson going through the resurrection of Jesus, and it's a great little gift idea. So I wanted just to give you a heads up because these little ones, they sell out very quickly and they're there at the moment, so I'd go in and they're cheaper than the bigger ones, and it's easier to fill the little ones with the little things for the object lesson as well. Also, I want to let you know that YouTube has somehow, for some reason, disabling a lot of comments on channels on YouTube, so I'm not able to interact with you on YouTube. So I'm going to be doing a lot more on Facebook. So if you're not following me on Facebook or on my Facebook page, make sure you do that, because then I'm able to interact with you, and I'm not able to interact with you at the moment on YouTube. Hopefully they'll get it all fixed. They're going through some sort of sweep of all the channels. They've had a problem with pedophiles and things making comments or bad comments in different children's channels. Now, I haven't had that problem, but still they've disabled all my comments, and I'm just hoping it won't take that long to get the comments back on. But anyway, that's the way it goes. So get into the shop, get these while they're still there. Okay guys, we'll catch you next time. Bye.